Good morning, students. Our today's topic is from chapter 4, class 11th, business studies, types of a bank's accounts. So there are the 5 types of a bank accounts. First one is a saving accounts. Saving accounts usually used by the small investors and a salaried pupils. So people have a savings accounts. Banks generally impose some restrictions on the amount as well as number of times of withdrawal in the given periods. So in the saving accounts, some restrictions are given on the withdrawals and interest is paid by the banks, but this interest is lower as compared to the FD, and this is very beneficial for the small investors and the salaried people, and it also encouraging the saving by individuals, and rate of interest is decided by the RBI. The saving accounts rate of interest is decided by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So the main aim of this saving account is to encourage the saving habit among the investors. Interest is paid by the bankers on these deposits as laid down by the RBI. So second type of a bank account is current account. Current accounts is generally used by the businessmen, and this accounts because of their numerous daily transactions. So in this accounts no restrictions on withdrawals, but here interest rate is a 0%. 0% interest rate is paid. This accounts given the facilities for the business persons for overdraft and credit facilities is also available in this accounts. Next, third type of a bank account is recurring account. Recurring accounts is required to be deposited at a regular intervals after the expiry of a fixed period of time. So in this accounts for a fixed term deposited at a regular intervals, and the rate of interest on RD is higher than the saving accounts. So interest rate is same as a FD, but amount is to be submitted on a monthly basis. So and this is suitable for the small savers. Next, fourth type of a bank account is a fixed deposit account. This account is repayable after an expiry of a specified period, and this period may be a very different form like the 6 months, 5 years, 2 years, and longer the period of deposit, higher is the rate of our interest. So interest rate is very high as compared of a saving account. So your lump sum amount is to be submitted in this accounts, and it is also known as a term deposit. It one is also known as a term deposit, and it can easily be withdrawn before the due date with some adjustment of a interest. So in fixed deposit accounts, amount to be deposited for a fixed period of time and a higher rate of interest as compared to the saving account is allowed, and the amount is also easily can be withdrawn before the due date too, so with appropriate adjustment of a interest amount. Next, fifth type of a bank account is multiple options deposit accounts. In this accounts, it offers a multiple options to the account holders, and it can be combination of a current account and saving accounts. So in this accounts, depositor can enjoy the liquidities of a saving and the current accounts. So the benefit of a multiple deposit account is this: in this account, deposit in excess of a specified limit is automatically transferred into a term deposit or the fixed deposits. So on the other hand, in this accounts, depositor can enjoy the facilities of a saving accounts and current account, and rate of interest is of a FD, fixed deposits. So on the other hand, when the balance of a saving accounts is not sufficient to meet the check issues, so the bank simply splits the deposits into the term deposit and transfer the required amount from a term deposit to a saving accounts. So here we can see the multi-option deposit account is the combination of a saving account and a term deposit accounts. Thank you.